Good morning everyone. Welcome again to my YouTube channel Python Pre2 Pro. Today we will going to learn how to do login into your account, and we create after we log into our account we need to redirect it to a new page, suppose dashboard. So we will going to create a function with name dashboard. Further, we will give a route to this function. We need to create dashboard.html inside our templates directory. I have already created dashboard.html, which we are rendering in that function which we have created in views.py file. This is the file we are rendering to this function. Suppose I am just writing welcome to dashboard right now. Later on I will create a menu header inside dashboard. Now for logging, we will use this login and authenticate library, which is importing from Django's contrib auth package. Now inside, first we will receive two form fields, that is our email and password from the login form. Email the method of the form is a method is post. So if the method is post, then only this functionality will work. And then we authenticate user. We need to check its username inside the database with the email we are getting from this form, and database password with the password we are receiving from this form. Then if the result is matching, that is if user is not none, if user is getting, if we have a record with this username and password, we have use in our form, then we need to log in into login. First parameter is request and user is the user which is going to be logged in to his account. बाबा यार चुप रहो ना, वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ मैं. Then we will redirect it to our dashboard page. Now we will going to start a project server. First we will going to activate our virtual environment, and inside that we will run going inside our project directory. Then with this command we can run a server. As I told you earlier, it is saying invalid syntax as we forgot to put a comma here. Then our server is running now. We have registered a user. Now what's the problem here? Oh. Okay, this return statement should be here. No problem. Oh, unicorn. Okay. As the email with this field is already exists, so we will use different one, that is Aman test suppose. Now hopefully this will register his account successfully. Sign up successfully. Now I'm going to log in with this email Aman test. Password is not defined. Okay, this password, this object is storing forms password, and I'm using this password by equating this to the database password. Okay, now I will log into my system again with the same detail as I used when creating or sign up the user. Why again it is saying that password is not defined? Oh, I forgot to save this file. Sorry, it's my mistake. So silly mistake I am doing as I am making this video for a very long time. See, we are, and when we go to our admin, we can see that it tries to log into our admin automatically, but as the user is not authenticated, so it is showing us the message that you are authenticated as amantas@gmail but not authorized. That's all for today. In the next video I'm going to teach you how to log out, as logout is also important. Thank you. Keep watching and please share and subscribe this videos and my channel. Hopefully we will learn a lot of things and techniques together.